Probability of one event. Probability of A equals number of members of the event A over the total number of possible outcomes. Basically, it's the universal set. As we know, the probability is always between 0 and 1. Probability of A prime equals 1 minus probability of A. For example, one pencil is randomly taken from a box containing 8 red, 4 green, and 2 blue pencils. Find each probability. Probability of a blue pencil. In this box, there are 2 blue pencils. So we have 2 over. Total pencil will be 14. That equals 1 over 7. Probability of a not green pencil equals green is 4. So we have 1 minus 4 over 14. That equals 10 over 14. Reduce 5 over 7. Probability blue or red. Blue. There are 2 blue. So 2 over 14. Plus. All means plus. Red. 8 red over 14. So altogether 10 over 14 equals 5 over 7. Let's introduce independent events. Events are independent if the events don't affect each other. The events with replacement normally are independent events. Events are dependent if the events affect each other. Normally, the events without replacement are dependent events. If A and B are independent events, then P of A intersection B equals P of A times P of B. This is the definition for independent events. We normally use this formula to determine whether the events are independent or not. For 5A, spinner 1, then spinner 2. What's the probability getting a 2 or 4 followed by a red? We know spinner 1 and spinner 2, they are not affecting each other. So they are independent events. In other words, we can use this formula to figure out this probability. Getting a 2 or 4, check the area. For this circle, altogether, there are 5 equal parts. For 1, it's 1 over 5. 2, 1 over 5. 3, 1 over 5. For this 4, 2 over 5. For spinner 2, for each color is 1 over 3. Therefore, getting a 2 or 4 means 1 over 5 plus 2 over 5. that equals 3 over 5. Followed by a red, that is 1 over 3. So 3 over 5 times 1 over 3 is the solution. That equals 1 over 5. For B, spinner 1, then spinner 2. What's the probability of an even number followed by not red? Even number is 2 and 4. We already know 2 and 4 is 3 over 5. Then multiply by not red will be 2 over 3. So answer is 2 over 5. For C, spinner 1 twice, then spinner 2. What's the probability of getting a 2, followed by 2 or 4, followed by a red or blue? Getting a 2 will be 1 over 5 times, followed by a 2 or 4, that is 3 over 5, then times a red or blue. Red is 1 over 3, blue is 1 over 3. We adding together will be 2 over 3. So our answer will be 2 over 25. 6A, a fair dice is rolled twice. What's the probability of getting both 6 on the tops? As we know, there are 6 numbers on a dice. For each number, the probability of getting on the top is 1 over 6. The probability getting both 6 on the top will be 1 over 6 times 1 over 6 equals 1 over 36. Rolling the dice twice is an independent event. Let's go to 6B. A coin is tossed 3 times. What's the probability of getting head all 3 times? For a coin, we have a tail and a head. Probability of getting head on the top is 1/2. Tail is 1/2. Tossing coin 3 times is an independent event. So getting head all 3 times will be 1/2 times 1/2 times 1/2 equals 1 over 8.